Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. As a professional makeup artist, the top question I get is about foundation. In this Kathleen Color Lab series, I will be testing top brand foundations, such as Fenty, Urban Decay, Giorgio Armani, Lancôme Dior, and more, to see what they actually look like and how they wear without primer and setting powder. And if you are struggling with how to choose a foundation, check out my video in the notes below. Today I am testing the Touche Éclat Radiance Awakening Foundation from Ysl Touche, better known as YSL. YSL is known for their tuxedo jackets, safari dresses, and their best-selling concealer, the Touche Éclat Brightening Pen. But will their foundation be a bestseller? Let's find out. It's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen Color Scale, I give this foundation a 5. There really isn't anything I don't like about this foundation. It has a beautiful, radiant finish. It is easy to blend, a medium coverage, and a weightless feel. The skin type I recommend for this foundation is all skin types. However, if you are oily, beware. It is a very glowy, radiant finish. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time when I review another top brand foundation. And remember, life is better in color.